We are making this video because we want to give value to all the people who want to undergo a hair transplantation. I am the manager of HDC Hair Clinic, and I'm going to tell you the story of 3 of our patients, and through their story I will outline all necessary things that you need to know about the hair transplant. Our first patient had 4,000 grafts, and you can see how he was before. He just had a turf of hair in the front, which initially looked at was thicker, but after examined by the doctor, it was not so thick. So we decided to go over it when we started the hair transplant, because if we didn't, a couple of years later, this area would be thinner. So we punched 4,000 grafts with the smallest possible punch of 0.8 and 0.7 millimeters. All the donor area has been used equally for extracting those grafts. And of course, the most important thing is the result. Points that we need to stress is that the correct angulation of the hair placing, the correct spacing of the hair placing has led to a terrific result for this patient. Let's move quickly to the second patient who had a hair transplant of 4,500 grafts. He was bald from the front to the crown. This is the placement of 4,500 grafts. We put just enough to cover this area with a good density. The punching has been equally spaced over his donor, and you can see it here from both sides. The most important thing, we can see the video of the result of this patient, which is very natural, thick, and it's combed so nicely as if it's his own hair. His donor looks like it hasn't been touched, without any gaps or any obviously thinning hair. We are showing you the third patient before his hair transplant surgery. We placed for this patient 4,150 grafts. You can see the donor here, where all the grafts were punched equally, leaving hair in between with the smallest possible punch. You can see that the patient 11 days after, you can see that the hair is nicely placed. The recovery is very fast. The donor area looks as if we didn't touch it. This is only 11 days after. No redness, no scabs. Why do you want to have a hair transplant? Primarily for yourself. You want to see your image in the mirror every morning and like what you see. With HDC Hair Clinic, you will achieve a state-of-the-art hair transplantation for best image and appearance. Make your research and choose the correct place for this surgery. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. You can see our contact details below, and thank you for watching HDC Hair Clinic.